All right. Well, good morning, everybody. We are here. Um, I guess I am forgetting my infamous blue blue light blocking glasses. So I'm actually gonna go get those, and we can really get it popping. All right, we back. All right. So for today, not really much that screams to me. Um, I know for a fact that um tomorrow and Friday I won't be trading because of non-farm payroll protocol. Um, so hopefully we find a trade today, but I'm definitely being wary that it could just be choppy. So we'll see what we can find today. The obvious draw on liquidity was these equal lows right here that we just breached. So market just opened. We'll have to see what else we can find. Really could go either way today. There's nothing that really screams at me. I see some equal highs and some significant levels above, but the range towards the upside doesn't give us much to work with, in my opinion. Okay, we're about to inverse this 15-minute fair value gap. Could be a sign that we'll run to the lows, but just be careful. And look, it got bought back up, so. My boy in the chat says he's up 700 already. I mean, that level was definitely somewhere you could have bought. But if you guys see me on here often, you'll see I don't like taking trades off the open. I like to see what kind of day it's gonna be, and then go from there. I'm looking for equal highs on the 1 minute. So from what I can see, we don't have anything equal, just relative equal highs near the new day opening gap up here. If you guys look on like the 15-minute chart, we're just chopping between fair value gaps right now. Nothing to write home about. This could be a 2022 model short. Matter of fact, I would honestly be willing to take it because we breached the other fair value gap already. We already took the liquidity there. So if we want to go down, there's room till 19,879. All right, and I'm still not in any trade, just watching. I think you see down here, these are kind of these aren't like equal. Well, maybe they are. Let me check on here. Yeah, they're not equal lows because they got breached. So it's not like your normal draw on liquidity. It does look, relatively flat, so that could be a sign, but it's not actual equal lows. And relative equal lows, I like it, if like, let's say this is really close and then you've got this, that's relative equal lows for me. This, which could be the draw on liquidity again, but this, it was breached, so I don't love that. Yep, and that sell order, if you took it on the 1 minute, it was I mean, it's always hindsight, right? But looks like that would have been a plus. All right, and let's see. Yeah, that 15-minute. If you look at the 15-minute chart, it looks like an A plus 2022 model. I didn't take it because of just what a big time frame that is. Didn't know how long I'd have to sit in that trade. But it's valid on the 1 minute too. I just once again, it was off the open. Okay, so now we are inside of a higher time frame, 15-minute fair value gap. There's lots of wicks down here, but we're coming into the 1 minute fair value gap. It could be a good opportunity to go short, and looks like it is respecting that. I think we would dump through this 15-minute FVG if we're bearish. So I'm gonna try it. If my order can get filled here. Might be too late. Damn. Order didn't get filled. It's all good. I'm gonna wait. 1 minute fair value gap to the downside is still open. I'm gonna get see if I can get my order filled. And we're about to inverse the 5 minute as well. Yeah. There it goes. Jeez. Yeah, so we've seen a couple moves play out. I mean, I tried to get in on this 1 minute, didn't do it. I saw the entry right here, didn't get it. So, we'll see if we can get an entry. But I'm gonna be patient. If I don't take a trade today, I'm not gonna be mad. Had a great week. I'm up. Think I'm up like 3,500 this week in live funds. So no reason to crash out, right? Golly. Yeah, I mean, 4 hour chart looks pretty bearish. Okay, this is good for a sell order now. I'm getting in, I'm short. We inversed the 5 minute. We came back in for a 2022 model sell. Look, targeting the bottom of this weekly fair value gap at the most recent lows we can find. All right, now let me draw this. All right, we're in profit. Okay. Yeah. So this is what I'm looking at right here. All right. So we got in. I'm up right now. If we break this low, we're gonna move it over break even. I'm gonna give you guys a view of this. Okay. Here we go. Let's get it. Oh my God. Hopefully we have the time to. Oh my God. All right. Hang on. Here we go. All right, we're gonna have to figure this shit out because the reason why I don't execute in front of with the screen share is because the shit moves so slow. So I do it on the screen that's working fast. Okay, we're gonna move over. We're gonna move the stop loss over break even right here. Free trade, and then if we look at 5 minute, you can see I'm really just targeting that low. Will it happen? Who knows? It's looking pretty good right now. It's looking pretty good. All right. And I'm gonna. Oh, what the hell? There we go. All right, we're looking good. We just broke these lows again. It's a good sign. I'm gonna trail the stop a little more. We're taking out another significant, these are hourly lows right here. So watch out. Obviously we could respond and start to move up here, but you know, I'm definitely looking at these lows to get taken out with how close we are here. So I'm gonna give it the chance to do that for us. It'll definitely be worth the wait if it happens. All right, and obviously be careful with this new day opening gap. But I'm looking at the lows. I'm not gonna put my sell order there. And just for aesthetics, I'm gonna add this for y'all. Something like that. All right, so you're seeing it start to reject and kind of make a move up right above this new day opening gap, and after taking out these hourly lows way to the left. So, you know, if it wants to run back on us, we're gonna let it. And if it wants to take out that low, we're gonna print. So let's see what happens. Honestly, and after it breaks this low, it could dump even further, but we captured, we would have captured almost 100 points if this works out for us. So let's see what happens. Okay, yeah, where my cursor is basically, that's going to be where I want the stop loss. We've got a 1 minute fair value gap, so if we close above that, it'll be around that 19,872 level. And that would be a sign of, you know, us potentially making a move up. So we'll see what happens here. All right, so I'm gonna switch us to the 1 minute over here. All right, so you see that little fair value gap? We're waiting for, ideally, for us to close below and continue down. If not, then this would be where we get stopped out. All right, that should be where we get stopped out. All right. Now that's done. All right, so yeah, I mean, even if we put the order at new day opening gap, we wouldn't have gotten filled. Let's see. Well, now I'm just wondering what's the draw on liquidity to the upside. Like, we might really have a chance to go long. And this would be that chance. It's just I'm trying to see where we can target. Yeah, look at that. It's blowing up. Yeah, and the thing to keep in mind here is that honestly, and I want to log out of this trade of 8. Okay. Here we go. Yeah, because I placed the order on the screen that has 6 windows. So I'm looking at the daily time frame, I'm looking at the 4-hour time frame, and I'm looking at the 15-minute, the 5-minute, and the 1-minute. And then after that, once I'm confident about the trade and what, the entry and the idea behind it, then I'll just share. Okay, so big 1-minute fair value gap. Let's zoom in here. Big 1-minute fair value gap down here. Maybe these could be your equal highs. I don't know. This part up here. And then we definitely have equal highs way, way up here. But I don't know. We'll see if we can get a move like that today. Now, if we did close above this 5-minute fair value gap. If we get an entry on this one, I'll take it. Okay. So I'm in. Need to just keep a really tight stop on this one. All right, I'm cutting that until I see what we're gonna do. Yeah, it's looking good. Yeah, and so on this 1 minute, if I can, I don't like how long it's taking, that's for sure. But like the idea would be, I mean, we don't have equal highs till all the way up here. So it's possible, but you know, not the hill to die on. And we are in the macro time now. Pump it. All right. I'm gonna move my stop over break even. This shit. I ain't even gonna put it on the screen right now. It looks like it wants to reach up. You know, we breached the fair value gap. We have a BPR down here. What we don't really have is like a super obvious draw on liquidity. Like we do have equal highs above, but they're like right next to each other. It's not like a historical level. Okay, we're starting to get that push up. Maybe this is it. I think if we do get up above this recent high, we're gonna blast up, which is great. Okay. Yeah, this price action isn't my favorite. It's definitely moving a bit slower than I would prefer. You know, what I'm realizing is maybe the lows become more probable now. You know, because if we didn't just go run through this 1 minute fair value gap, we've got like equal lows now, relative equal lows from that time when we just went all the way down there and didn't take it out. All right, kind of a bullish closure there, but at the same time, it's like these wicks on the 5-minute are so big. If we want to look at that over here, I'm gonna get in shorts. Oh, nope, nope. No, sir. There's a lot of risk to reward in shorts right here. We're in a 1-minute fair value gap. You know, you could hold this all the way to the bottom if you want. But I mean, we need it to give us the right reaction here. It's 901. There we go. Sheesh. Yeah, so we inverse this. That's a sign to go long. As far as a draw in liquidity, this new day opening gap definitely could be it. We kind of swept those recent highs above that. Let's see what we do here. So, I mean, all eyes would be really up here. So this would be your long position. If I can draw it real quick. So there's kind of relative equal highs up here. And I mean, to be fair, so I've got this drawn out. I think, yeah, technically, well, this would be the setup. And look there, we're starting to reject that new day opening gap. Yup. Disgusting. No, sir. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, so this fair value gap is being respected. We tap the inverse right here. It's going up. Equal highs are way up above, so I don't know if we get that, but I'll look at the high of day for sure. All right, if honestly, if we break the high of this, I think we go to high of day. That's just my opinion. Not a trade. Go, Ivy, go. All right, do you guys want to see the trade I'm in? Look, so I did take longs on that fair value gap. I said I got stopped out, but I tried it again. My dog keeps coming in and out. Go. All right, we're about to. Doesn't look like longs are gonna work out, but could just be at the start of a chop day right now. We're gonna see. I would obviously love to see trends, see us go smack the high day. But you know, gonna have to see. Okay, I got y'all. All right, well, this is gonna work. The trade, setting the limits is already done. The hardest part is getting my screen to where I can show what's going on. So funny. Okay. Yeah, and ideally, man, no more trades after this today. Oh, new day opening gap rejection. Definitely could be the spot to reject. I'm gonna trail this up. There's also a 15-minute fair value gap where that end dog is. So, I mean, it really could be the place where we turn around. But we got like relative equal highs above. We do have equal lows basically below, so it's hard to tell the exact draw on liquidity. I would obviously just love us to take high a day for my own selfish reasons. Because I mean, I think if we do get a bullish closure above this new day opening gap, we fly. It's really just a couple candles away. Alrighty, well, let's see. It looks like it wants to take the stop. And there it is. All right, guys. Well, cool. I appreciate everybody coming to the stream. I'm about to hop off. No need to stay in this PA, but if you guys are looking for trades when I leave, definitely definitely be careful. It's pretty crazy price action today, but with that, I'll see y'all.